Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's training, we are going to look into how to be able to view the cost of an item on our invoices and sales receipts. Okay, let me set an example. When you are creating an item, let's go to item list. Let me see. I want to select ceiling fan. Okay, this ceiling fan. I'll double click. Okay, you see on the left hand side here we have the purchase information. These informations are made available when you want to enter a bill, just this information. So when you are creating a bill, you will see 7,000 naira on the bill when you select ceiling fan. Then when you create, but you are not going to see this information on your bill. So this information here are for the bill, while the information you are seeing here is for your invoices or sales receipts. So when you are creating invoice and sales receipts, you can only see this 8,000 naira, and you can also change it, but you can't see this 7,000 naira. So when you are a little bit confused and you don't want to start going to check your inventory to see the valuation, or to go to your list of items to check for the cost before you enter, you can actually include, I will show us an example now. Okay, let me go ahead and create a bill so that you see what I'm explaining. Okay, let's go to receive inventory with bill. Okay, receive inventory with bill. I'll just go ahead and select the ceiling fan now. Now over here you see we have 7,000. So this 7,000 is reflecting under bill. Okay, so let me go ahead. Let me go back or go to customer and create invoice. Then I'll select that same item. Then we'll see if this cost price is going to reflect. So I'm going to select item here and then select ceiling fan. Now you see we don't have ceiling fan and they are not selling. You see that we are having 8,000 naira here, whereas over here we have 7,000. Yes, based on the information we provided under this list, item list. You can also either double click or right click and edit item. You can see that here is the purchase for bill and here is invoice or sales receipt. Okay, let me go back. Then let me create sales receipt so that we'll see again. I'll enter sales receipt. Then I'll select the ceiling fan. You see that it's only 8,000 is going to reflect. Okay, which is correct. So now I want to go ahead to include the cost so that I don't have to go to list of item or go to my report and inventory to check my inventory valuation and stuff to know the cost, so I can quickly see that right from my invoice or sales receipt. So how do I do that now? So the next thing you can do to be able to include your cost here, okay, so this template is custom sales receipt. So let's see, manage template. Okay, and the template we are on is custom sales receipt. Okay, double click on that. Okay, double click on that. We are on this page now, but mind you, this particular template is locked, so it's going to ask us to create a copy. So I'm going to go for, this is where we are going to additional customization. Okay, it's not locked, it's open. Okay, we can go ahead. So I'm going to go ahead to column. Yeah, under column now you see we have cost here. This screen is for the things you will be able to view on QuickBooks. print is whenever you print this, if we want this item to appear. Now you see this amount, cost. I'm going to select cost on my screen now. Okay, so but it's not going to show on. They're not going to allow me to click on the print aspect, so it's only allowed on my screen, so that I can see the cost price right from my screen. So I've selected the cost. Now there are many other features you can also bring in. The manufacturing date number. Okay, then we go to header, to these headings here that you are seeing, sold to, shipped to. If you want to also include it and you want to see it on your header, you select that. Shipped to, okay, due date, you can also select it if you want it to appear on. So there are a couple of things you can actually allow to. Then account number, yeah, account number for your customer to pay in. You understand? For your customer to pay to. Yeah, so we have that. So let's go ahead and click on OK. Now I'm customizing the sales receipt. Okay. Once I'm done with that, I go ahead with OK. Now you see we are having cost 7,000, the selling price as 8,000. So right from here, I can actually view the cost of this item, so that I will know instantly what margin or the price, the gain, the profit I'll be making off this item. So that is that. So I believe now you can actually create this and include your cost on both your sales receipt and invoices. Okay, let's go down to invoice. You do the same thing, the same method for invoice. This is my invoice sheet. So I can go ahead to formatting and manage the template just like we did for the sales receipt. Okay, hope you understand these procedures. I'll see you guys in my next class. Have a wonderful day and bye.